All right, so today we're going to go ahead and build this section-based cabinet that actually has a kind of fake front on it, and that's so that way the oven will drop into the counter, and this one is actually going to be for an appliance. So let's get building with this one. For all of those who don't know me, I'm Jared, and I spent about 6 months of all my free time completely renovating my kitchen, and I videoed as much as I could to share with everyone, so hopefully they could learn something and get something out of it. So with that, let's get into it. All right, so this section-based cabinet is a 30 by 24 by 30 inch cabinet. So let's just rip into this thing as usual and get it unpacked and unfold it onto the cardboard so we're ready to put it together. So we're going to start with these locking screws, and when you put these in, you put them all along the ends. All right, so next you're going to grab these dowel rods and you're going to insert them into the top and bottom panels. And an easy way to tell is you want to put it where the locking nut screw does not go, so the hole next to it. All right, so after you get that together, you're just going to take these locking nuts and put them in and do about a quarter turn on a screwdriver, and that's going to pull those two pieces together real nice. All right, because this is an appliance cabinet, it's going to hold an appliance, so it comes with a little heavier duty metal bracing that goes along the top on both sides. All right, now I'm going to put the back panel on, and this is where those routed channels come into play. You're just going to slide it into those routed channels. Hey, I really appreciate everyone watching and listening, and I hope that you're finding this interesting and helpful. And if you are, please give me a like or maybe a subscribe, and I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks. I put bracing on the back, and now I put bracing on the front as well. And this is just to hold on that fake front. So you're going to go ahead and put in the side brackets, and then you're going to put on the piece that goes in the front. And that piece is going to go ahead and rest against those brackets, and then also against that little rubber thing that was on the metal piece. And that just keeps it from bowing in too much or, kind of caving in. So gives it a little support. All right, now we're going to nail the back panel on, and you always want to slide that one side into the other corner to make sure that everything is square and lined up. You don't want to nail the back on and not be square. Now this next part is the same for all section base cabinets that are going to be on an island. Instead of using that easy mount system, we're going to use this, and it's just a piece of pressed board that you mount to the back of it, and then you can use that to mount it to the cabinet behind it. You may have noticed that I'm doing this one a little differently than the other one I did. I actually found it was easier to attach the brackets to the back piece just loosely and then attach it to the cabinet. It made it so I didn't drop things on accident while I was trying to attach them. All right, so that's it for this cabinet. We have it together, and we're going to mount that later. But for right now, we still have some more cabinets to build. We've got another one that doesn't have anything in it, so it's just a very basic cabinet. And then I'm also going to show you the shallow cabinet that I had to build in the next video. So check that out right here.